Hello, boys and girls. We are going to talk about some size words in this video. Remember, size words help us to know how big or small something is. So think of some words that might describe size. I already said big and small. What else might help us to talk about the size of things? Maybe we have tall or short as well. I'm going to read you a story and I want you to listen for the size words and use your hands if it's short, if it's tall, if it's big, or if it's small. Use your hands as I read this to do size words. Ready? Mom and I went for a hike in the woods. We stopped next to a tall tree to have a picnic. Mom brought 2 apples for us to eat. One apple was big and the other was small. I wanted the big apple because I had a small breakfast. Then Mom saw a small bird in the tall tree. I was too short to see it, so Mom lifted me up on her shoulders. I felt so tall. Okay, I'm going to read it again, and I'm going to do the motions with it this time. Were you doing them already? If you did, that's good. This time, do them with me. Ready? Mom and I went for a hike in the woods. We stopped next to a tall tree to have a picnic. Mom bought 2 apples for us to eat. One apple was big and the other was small. I wanted the big apple because I had a small breakfast. Then Mom saw a small bird in the tall tree. I was too short to see it, so Mom lifted me up onto her shoulders. I felt so tall. Good job, boys and girls. Look at these pictures with me. We have an alligator, we have a fish, and we have a dinosaur. What do you think these have to do with size words? I'm going to read you some sentences, and you need to find the size words. Ready? The big alligator ate the small fish. What were the size words in that sentence? The big alligator and small describe the fish. Listen to this one. The big dinosaur chased the small dinosaur. What were the size words in that one? Big was a word telling the size of one dinosaur, and small was the word telling the size of another dinosaur. What are some other size words that we might use to describe animals? Maybe tiny. An ant is really tiny, isn't it? We might use little, like the baby kitten was little. We might use huge. The elephant was huge. We might use giant. The giraffe looked like a giant with its long neck. So we might use a lot of different size words to describe a lot of different things. Thank you for doing this video with me today. Have a great day.